In this video, I want to talk about the Charts tab. Now the Charts tab is the first tab that we have selected here in the control panel, and this is where we manage the different contracts that we might want to trade. Now we have a drop down here, as you can see, that has all of the different commodities that we have available for us to trade. Now this drop down is controlled through a control panel over here called the symbol chooser. If we select this little icon, this opens up our symbol chooser and gives us a list of all the commodities that are available to trade through Track and Trade. Now if we don't want to have all of the commodities listed in this drop down menu, we can restrict that by unselecting some of these here or add them back in, whichever you prefer, and you can create your own list, a customizable list of commodities that you want to follow and track. Hit OK. That is what populates this drop down menu right there. So let's come in and open up a chart. Let's come down and open up the E-mini S&P. And it automatically selects the first contract date month available to us, which is the first one in the list, and it opens the chart. This is the symbol, so if you'd prefer to just type in the symbol, that'll make it easier, and hit open symbol. Now you'll see that we have the S&P 500 stock E-mini listed down here in the list, and the daily chart is the first one that's open. Now I'm going to slide this panel open just a little bit so you can see further detailed that we have a number of different data tabs across here that tells us some additional information about the data that's going on the chart, and that's controlled here in the Charts tab. I'm going to slide that back just to bring that back to where it was, and you'll also notice that we can change the different time frames of the individual charts by right-clicking on the particular chart that's open. So I can right-click here, and you'll notice that I have a list of all the different charts that are available to me. So I can change this maybe over to a 5-minute chart. Now you'll also notice that down here in the bottom time frame, or the bottom tab, I have different time frames, and these time frames are also give you the capability of changing the chart time frame by simply selecting a tab. So let's go to the 15-minute chart or maybe a 30-minute chart, and you can see that the software very quickly switches between those and changes the indication over here in the control panel of the time frame. Now if we want to have two charts open, we can right click and open up a second chart and open up a 5-minute chart. So now you can see that I have two charts open. I have a 30-minute chart and a 5-minute chart. Again, I can change the 5-minute chart's time frame using the tabs at the bottom. Maybe I want to put this one over to a 15-minute chart, and I can click on this one and bring it down to a 5-minute chart. So I have controls both in the bottom of the chart and over here in the right click menu of being able to change multiple charts simultaneously and have multiple charts simultaneously of the same commodity. Now to get rid of a chart, all I have to do is right click, and I can come down here and hit delete chart, and it takes me back to the single chart. Down here in the control panel, the tabs along the bottom of the window, you can see that we can change and customize the time frames by simply right clicking on a tab, which opens up this Setup Charts tab control panel, allowing you to customize the time frames for each individual tab along the bottom of the chart.